patchwork bag. It's 19 inches long, it's 11 inches high, it is 7 inches wide, and it is a thing of beauty.
Talk about, I mean, there's nobody that loves handbags and shoes and jeans and sweaters and shirts and tops more than me. And I am so lucky to be born to have myself in this profession and be able to do professional shopping all the time. And one thing that I saw in London that just blew me away were these gorgeous patchwork handbags that had this cross stitch to them, because I thought, wow, the cross stitch really makes it look so handmade. The other thing I see, and actually it's silly because I'm wearing a watch that is a combination of gold and silver, you're going to see a lot of combo metallics coming out in accessories. And so here I love it because if you've collected our bold gold jewelry from Diane Gilman, you got gold. If you love silver, and we've got a huge silver show coming up in February and January, you've got silver. You've got a neutral taupe metallic snakeskin, a gold metallic snakeskin, and a black patent leather croco. And you've got it all mixed together, and a separate keychain with the DG2 emblem that's removable, and I use mine actually as a real keychain. Then you've got these gorgeous giant D-rings that come up into a braided combo handle. I mean, if this isn't about as high-end looking as it gets, 17 inches across, 12 inches high, holds so much junk, I can't even begin to tell you, and I need a big bag. I carry my life in my bag, beautifully lined on the inside, all the compartments you would want, and you just take a sponge and wipe this off if it gets dirty. And, you know, did you see the snakeskin going down the side?
I love that side detail.
But I want to show you something at the bottom.
Okay.
Cara, oh, here we go. Look at the bottom of it. It is the black croco patent snakeskin with the little feet. So if you've got the bag, oh, he took away the sleepy bag. Bring back our sleepy bag.
Yeah, and I wanted you to see the inside while we still have a couple seconds here. Let me show you the inside, because I know that that's so important. Of course, Diane put in the zipper back wall pocket on one side. Also, check out the light color of the lining so you can see what you've got.
Beautiful satin logo lining.
Yeah, very nice.
And here is your sleepy bag. So now you get this great bag to store your bag in. And it also, it's great if you're giving this bag as a gift. And you know something? Women love handbags. So if you've got somebody nearest and dearest and you say, I don't know what this size they are, and guess what?
Yeah.
Who doesn't have gold, silver, jewelry in silver? Who doesn't have a black pair of DG2 jeans? And if you don't, you should. Or a light gray pair. This has got every neutral, including taupe, that's important for every season of the year.
That's right. You've got one bag that can take you everywhere. And if you love this size, it's a larger mid-size bag. So if you carry your life in your bag like most of us do, you've got to be on the phone for this one. It's 564-680. It is a great price and a great 2 flex payments. So under $40 on your credit card when you are carrying this one and getting this one home. Stay on the line for it. We've got one more bag for you this morning, and it's a little bit of a different shape. It's a tote. It's a little bit bigger, different colors. If you love that patchwork.